Today, Year 1, we're going to learn all about volcanoes. Here you can see two photographs of different types of volcanoes. Okay, first of all, let's think, what is a volcano? A volcano is a very deep hole in the Earth's top layer. When a volcano erupts, hot liquid called magma escapes through holes in the Earth's surface. When magma is outside the volcano, it is called lava. A volcanic eruption can push huge amounts of gas and ash high into the sky. It's not always like that though. Sometimes when a volcano erupts, it produces a long oozing flow of lava. Volcanoes can form steep cone shapes, like this one here, or have gentle sloping sides, like this one here. There are hundreds of volcanoes on land, but there are more hidden in the depths of the ocean. Famous volcanoes. The world's largest active volcano is Mauna Loa in Hawaii. It is 4,169 metres tall and it last erupted in 1984. Here is a photograph of this famous volcano. Down here you can see Mount Etna, and Mount Etna is a volcano in Sicily. It is the largest active volcano in Europe. It is 3,329 metres high. It erupts every few years. Right, Year 1, what I'd like you to do now is watch the BBC bite-sized clip to find out some more amazing facts about volcanoes. When you've done that, you can watch Nina make her own erupting volcano. After you've watched the video, you may want to think about some of these things. In the experiment that Nina does, she uses baking soda to help the volcano erupt. Can you predict what might happen if she used sand or salt instead? Have a little think about that. Think about what you have learnt today about volcanoes. If you like, you could make a pic collage about volcanoes. You could include some pictures or interesting facts. You could draw or paint a picture of a volcano. Perhaps you could even make a model of a volcano. You can choose which activity you would like to do, Year 1. I'll leave it up to you.